Hello everyone, I'm Jessica Malhotra, a BCom student at Poddar International College and also preparing for the CS course. Well, choosing Poddar International College is one of the best decisions of my academic journey. The college provides such a strong foundation for commerce and finance that helped me bring my career into the financial sector. The curriculum is well structured and industrial oriented that helps students in finding the practical aspects of different subject sets like accounts, financial management, and also the economics. What I appreciate the most about Poddar International College is that their supportive faculties and the academic environment. The teachers are highly knowledgeable and always encourage us to go beyond our textbook. Although their guidance helped me a lot with balancing out my CS course as well as my BCom studies. Poddar International College has given me the right and the best path to grow academically and professionally, and I'm proud to be a part of it. Thank you.
Poddar Group of Institutions